एक अच्छा सा ब्राउनिश कालाइश ब्लैकिश टाइप ऑफ एक पेस्ट बनेगा, वो लगा दीजिए फेस पे.
Oh, it's
20
good.
minutes के लिए your face will be shining. Oil pulling is very good because it kind of moisturizes and your gums. The benefits are induces sleep. The benefits are great for your skin. It's a mood elevator because you put this. It's anti-inflammatory, antiseptic. What else? It's got everything यार. अच्छा उल्टा किया था वो. Whoa. Not only in Gujaratis, they are dhokla. No, खाना स्टाउल हम लोगों में भी है. ऐसे फटफट है, ऐसे लगता है बॉम्ब फूट गया. Fish fry, Mangalorean fish curry, the fish fry. There are lots of things. Mouth will start watering. बस डाइटिंग की बैंड बज जाएगी.
Hi, I'm Clary, your host, and welcome to Dadi Approved, जहाँ हम डिस्कस करेंगे OG Dadi Approved hacks. And हमारे साथ है someone who's always kept it real, from being the Dawn girl in Dawn to bringing the cool in क्या cool है हम. Please welcome Isha Kopikar.
Hi, Clara.
Hi. Thank you for coming here. It's our pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure is all mine too.
So, clearly you're aging in reverse. So what's the secret? Is it just your dadi's genes or also discipline, like a combo?
I think prakritik chikitsa.
Oh my God.
That's naturopathy. I think all that's natural is good. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि हम जो खाते हैं वही चेहरे पे लगाना चाहिए और जो चेहरे पे लगा सकते हैं वही खाना चाहिए, बट ऐसे होता नहीं है. Like for example, certain fruits, milk, certain ingredients that we eat, that we consume, वही हमारे locally चेहरे के लिए या शरीर के लिए अच्छा होता है.
So do you apply fruits, papaya, ऐसा कुछ लगाते हो आप?
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
yes.
So how was your childhood like? आप दादी के साथ थे कि vacations पे visit करते थे?
दादी में हमारे साथ ही रहती थी.
Yeah?
Yes, I was. In fact, मेरे बचपन में मेरे मम्मी पापा से ज़्यादा, या मैं ज़्यादा ही कहूँगी, मेरे दादी का contribution है. Because जब मैं when I was born, my father was still studying his MD gynecology.
Oh.
So I was मेरे जो shoots थे beginning के South के shoots in 2000, 1999 onwards, I started shooting in the South. ये सब मेरी दादी आती थी.
Oh.
Yeah, she used to travel with me, and she was a BA, educated. One of the first, yes, quite ahead, very ahead of her time. And she used to speak to producers and directors and all in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada,
Wow.
and English.
That's so interesting.
Because she's one of the first BA, arts mein, bachelors of arts of her time. One of the first women in a batch.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So you always had her to look
Yes,
up to.
yes.
And you
Most of me is the way I am is because of her.
Wow. So आप कोंकणी family से आते हो, right? So you
Mangalorean.
speak.
Hi, of course.
And did you also learn the other languages from your dadi?
Kannada.
Kannada.
Yeah.
Kannada ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. All I know.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Yes.
Oh, nice. So okay, while growing up आपने आपकी दादी को ऐसा कुछ करते हुए देखा, कोई रिचुअल जो आज भी आपके साथ रह गया, मतलब कोई फेस पैक या स्किन केयर या फिर मे बी फूड?
हाँ, दादी, मैं सच में बोलूँ, लोकल एप्लीकेशन से ज़्यादा आई थिंक शी बिलीव्ड इन हैविंग द राइट काइंड ऑफ फूड.
या
वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आपकी त्वचा हो या आपके थॉट्स हो या आप जो हो इज़ व्हाट यू ईट मोर देन व्हाट यू अप्लाई. एंड उनकी spiritually also she was very connecting. That's also something I picked up from her. So there are three things: food for thought, food for your body, एक होता है, और soul. All three are important
Yeah.
for you to be the way you are. So I've learned everything from my dadi. Annamma.
Annamma you call her? Oh, that's so sweet. It sounds like
Very South Indian.
yeah, very South.
Because we are Mangaloreans.
Yeah,
no?
Bangalore.
So Annu is dad.
Dad. Okay.
And Amma is mother.
Okay.
Dad's mother is Annamma and mom's mother is Amama. Amma's
very South Indian. Like
Yeah.
I'm a Malayali, so you know Amma
okay.
is very common,
Yeah,
right? When you call,
yeah.
so sweet. So with food, was there any influence? आपने उनके साथ कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल ट्राई किया जो आज भी आज डिश खाते हो तो उनकी याद आ जाती है?
हाँ, सारे मच्छी के जो डिशेस हैं,
फिश फ्राई.
या फिश फ्राई, Mangalorean fish curry, yeah, the fish fry. I mean, there are lots of things.
Yeah, my
mouth will start watering. There are lots of things.
Did you guys have kori roti?
No,
No, that was not. That's
no,
more
that's
like a Tulu.
that's more Tulu.
Tulu.
Yeah, we are Saraswat Brahmins, Konkanis,
GSB.
CSBs, Chitrapur Saraswat Brahmins.
Oh, I have tried the GSB cuisine.
हाँ, GSB.
Madgane.
हाँ, Madgana है.
Ah,
Madgana count is also
Yeah,
there.
right?
Yeah, they love with that puran chana.
Puran poli type. Oh God.
बस डाइटिंग की बैंड बज जाएगी.
But madgane चलता है.
Yeah, madgane basically is like a kheer.
Yeah.
It's like it's like a payasam kind of preparation.
Like a jaggery based
Yeah.
payasam.
Yeah, I recently had it.
Yeah. I tried it at a restaurant called Shenoy's in Worli.
Okay.
They only do GSB cuisine.
Okay.
It was very
So
interesting.
they like wala birden.
Yeah, all of that. Very like some
Phatputen, khotkoten, putputen.
Now you sound
All names are like.
I
I used to tell my mother that Amma, it's not only in Gujaratis that they are dhokla. You know, खाना हम लोगों में भी है. ऐसे फटफट है. ऐसे लगता है बॉम्ब फूट गया.
actually sounds like that.
Batata song. It was batata song. It's like a reddish colored aloo ki gravy.
What is it called?
Batata song.
But it is song. It's like a song.
No, it's not like a song. It's not. It's very spicy.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I like spicy, but now it doesn't suit my gut. My gut is now saying no.
Yeah. But coconut was there in your diet.
Coconut was forever there in my diet. We Mangaloreans, mostly South Indians, coastal Mangaloreans, we have a rice, fish and coconut diet. That's why we've got good skin, good hair.
Always.
I've eaten fish from the age of I was 6 months. And coconut also. Even when Rihanna was born, when I was pregnant, I had a lot of coconut because I wanted her to have good hair. And she's got amazing mop of hair.
What about application? Did you also use coconut oil for
I used coconut on my stomach.
Yeah.
So that I wouldn't get, what are those called?
Stretch marks.
Stretch marks, yeah.
Oh.
I don't have a single stretch mark because of that.
Oh.
I didn't use anything else other than virgin coconut oil.
A lot of it.
A lot of it. All the time. Ever since I knew I was pregnant. From the day I
So pregnant ladies should definitely
use virgin coconut oil. It's the best. I do something called oil pulling.
I have heard about it.
I have virgin coconut oil, one shot. I have Rihanna has and my dog Boomerang also has.
Oh.
Yes. I put it in his food. Yes, he's a golden retriever.
That's
for
the first time I सुन रही हूँ कि you do it for dogs also.
Yes, I do it for him also.
So आपने पहले consult किया था or you just
I was told by a lot of these alternate medical doctors who do gua sha, who do acupuncture, acupressure, all these kind of things. I know somebody called Dr. Pandey and he's like a brother to me. So he also told me that oil pulling is very good because it kind of moisturizes your gums. And it avoids, you don't have breath issues, you don't have any kind of cavities. And it basically is for dental care.
Are you influenced by Ayurveda in your life?
Yes, I am. Anything and everything that's natural.
Okay. So proper
ज़मीन से जुड़ा हुआ है क्योंकि मैं भी ऐसी हूँ.
अच्छा.
ज़मीन से जुड़ी हुई.
So do you think कि दादी का नुस्खा काफ़ी है and we don't need supplements or any sort of treatments?
We need. But not from day one. जितना आज तो 20-year-olds go to skin doctors. They get different kinds of treatments done. Without consulting doctors, people are just having medicines.
Yes.
And it affects their intestinal or their stomach lining eventually. It affects their kidneys. Anything that you have, there should be professional advice. So पहले ज़रूरी है कि professional advice आप लो. चेहरे के साथ कुछ करने से पहले 10 लोगों से consult करो. अभी तो लोग I don't know what's happening.
My next question was that Then what do you think about non-invasive treatments? आपको लगता है ये सिर्फ self confidence के लिए है, which is okay, या फिर it's unnecessary? What's your opinion about it?
I will not say it's unnecessary. I'm nobody to judge what people want to do with their face or their body. What I feel is, if you require correction for you to enhance yourself, your beauty, do it. But don't do something to look like somebody else. Because that somebody else has been created by the Supreme for a purpose. Eyes and eyebrows to match the face. Nose and lips to match that face. You can't say, I want somebody else's nose and have your face. Or somebody else's lips and have your face. अपने ही खूबसूरती को आपको अगर निखारना है, उसको थोड़ा एक्सेंचुएट करना है, फ्लॉज को थोड़े कवर अप करने हैं, तो ठीक है, बट डोंट ओवरडू इट, बिकॉज दे से इन मराठी अति तिथे माती. Too much of anything is not good. You just have to be confident and feel good in your own skin, and you should be, मैं यही कहती हूँ कि be confident. आपके जैसा कोई नहीं है.
You are a desi girl, is what I've figured.
Yeah, I'm full desi.
Full desi.
Full desi, full Mumbaikar and full Bollywood.
Yeah. So, there are too many trends going on. आपने सबसे bizarre trend क्या सुना है about skincare? I'll give you an example. Like, slugging. Slugging is all about Vaseline या any petroleum jelly आप पूरी शक्ल पे लगा दो पूरी रात, and then next morning wash it away, or like keep it for hours. So that's one trend. That's everyone's doing it for glass skin. So ऐसा कोई trend आपने सुना
ये
है?
glass skin कहाँ से आया है?
Korea.
हम कोरियन है क्या?
Exactly. Yeah.
हम कोरियन है क्या? उनकी स्किन आप कैसे, उनकी स्किन पे जो अच्छा लगता है वो हमारी स्किन पे कैसे? मैं तो कहती हूँ स्किन केयर भी अब्रॉड नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. Because your skincare is created or made or sold depending on your kind of skin in your country. If something is sold in a different country, it depends on their climatic conditions and how their skin is.
Yeah.
आप समझ रहे हो
Yeah,
ना?
absolutely.
थोड़े लोगों के स्किन में what is that यार? मेलानिन ज़्यादा होता है. थोड़े लोगों के स्किन में मेलानिन कम होता है. उस हिसाब से स्किन केयर होता है. सो थोड़े लोगों के स्किन थिक होते हैं, थोड़े लोगों के स्किन थिन होते हैं. उस हिसाब से स्किन केयर होता है. हम जाके कहीं और से स्किन केयर लेके आते हैं. Even if it's the same brand, do you know there's a difference? I didn't know. Even I didn't know.
Yes, I didn't know.
Until my dermat told me.
Oh, the ingredients are different?
The ingredients are not different. Something in it, like suppose I buy a particular moisturizer of a particular brand in India. Chances are I may not get that same product abroad. Because Indian skin is different from the skin that they have.
Yeah.
Or if I have that, it is very necessary for me to first try it on my skin and to see if it is made for my skin, even if it's the same brand, same moisturizer. उसमें कुछ add या minus हो सकता है. शायद यहाँ विटामिन सी कम हो, वहाँ ज़्यादा हो, या ज़्यादा हो, वहाँ कम हो. लगेगा ब्रांडिंग सेम, होगी वही चीज़, but you should know what you're using. Because you feel अरे यार ये थोड़ा अलग है. लास्ट टाइम मैंने जब दूसरी जगह खरीदा था ये अलग था. ऐसे भी होता.
100% because Indian skin बहुत different है.
And I think our skin is the best.
I love it. Yeah.
I love Indian skin. क्योंकि हमारी स्किन जल्दी से खराब नहीं होती. हमारी स्किन जल्दी से सन से अफेक्ट नहीं होती.
Sunburns.
हमको सनबर्न्स उतने होते नहीं हैं. हमारी स्किन में कोलाजन लेवल्स ज़्यादा हैं. पर हमको ग्लास स्किन क्यों चाहिए?
Obsession. ये जो obsession है कि foreigners, foreign country and
ग्लास स्किन के लोगों के स्किन को बाद में क्या होता है? ये भी तो देखिए, हम लोग सिर्फ बिगिनिंग में देखते हैं, बाद में क्या होता है ये पता नहीं. अच्छा, बाय द वे, इवन दे आर वेरी नेचुरल. तुम वो करो ना, वो लोग क्या खाते हैं वो देखो, वो क्या लोग लगाते हैं ये देख लो. प्लीज सी व्हाट दे ईट. Actually go and see their kind of food. It is, if you see Chinese, actual Chinese is very watery. But we stuff our Indian Chinese with soya, with so many sauces, with corn flour, make it thick. Indian Chinese.
Yeah.
It's not authentic Chinese.
Ajinomoto.
हाँ, worst.
Worse.
MSG.
Yeah.
So हम लोग सिर्फ देखते कि लोग क्या लगाते हैं. I think most important is what you consume. What you eat is what you are. Like I always say, you are what you eat and you are what you cheat. दोनों. Cheating करने
You
से
have
भी.
cheat days?
Yeah.
Once a week.
Yeah, once a week, once in 10 days. One depends on what I feel like eating. I eat. But I work
आपका
out.
diet
मैं
अभी
रात
कैसा
को नहीं खाती. मैं 6 बजे के बाद.
ओके 6 बजे के बाद आप खाना नहीं खाते हो?
मतलब चीटिंग तो डेफिनेटली नहीं करती. सो मैं सिर्फ सूप्स या एक पीस ऑफ चिकन या पीस ऑफ फिश ऐसे खा लेती हूँ.
सो आपके डाइट में आप कार्ब्स, फाइबर एंड ऐसे फैट, यू
Very-
इंक्लूड फैट,
एवोकाडो
और
salmon
कोकोनट
or yeah, coconut oil or A2 ghee.
ओके दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट.
Very important because
And-
fat burns fat.
Oh,
Good fat burns fat.
and it also has skin benefits like
A lot.
Yeah.
Glow and collagen, repairing, सब कुछ.
Nice. And clearly you're glowing. So इतने साल से आपने ऐसा कोई रेसिपी है जो आज अभी भी ट्राई करते हो, कोई फेस पैक रेसिपी फ्रॉम दादी, एनीथिंग?
Yeah. Recipe, remedies, खाना पीना, shots, मतलब shots मतलब non-alcoholic.
नॉन अल्कोहलिक. दादी दिखती है तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग.
Shots, ये सब everything I do.
And is there a face pack recipe you would like to share with us?
I like coffee. I drink a lot. I drink about 3 cups of black coffee a day. It suits
Oh.
me.
Okay.
It suits me. I don't know if it doesn't suit you, don't have it. Doesn't make me acidic, and coffee normally doesn't make you acidic unless you have it with milk. Milk is what makes you acidic. So I avoid milk. कॉफ़ी कॉफ़ी पाउडर लीजिए, थोड़ा कॉर्नफ्लावर डालिए, थोड़ा बेकिंग पाउडर डालिए, थोड़ा हनी डालिए.
Okay.
मिक्स कीजिए, एक अच्छा सा ब्राउनिश कालाइश ब्लैकिश टाइप ऑफ एक पेस्ट बनेगा, वो लगा दीजिए फेस पे.
Oh,
हाँ,
It's
20
good for
minutes
that.
के लिए your face will be shining.
yeah.
Because coffee has properties which give a glow to your skin.
Okay.
What else? Cornflour, honey moisturizes your skin. Baking powder has cleansing properties. So it cleanses your skin, tightens your pores.
Not baking powder only cleanses.
Coffee also नहीं आप एक देख लीजिए, एक बार ट्राई कर लीजिए.
So how many times do you try this?
Once a week I do it.
Oh, once a
Sometimes
week.
in 10 days, yeah. It all depends on my skin. Sometimes I just put a little bit of papaya and dahi
Okay.
on my
Yeah,
face.
that's moisturizer,
Sometimes,
right?
yeah. Sometimes besan I don't put, or multani mitti dries my face. I don't put
Okay.
all that because I tend to get dry skin from the beginning.
That's so papaya and dahi.
Honey भी डाल सकते हो
थोड़ा to moisturize.
to moisturize.
Okay. Nice.
कोई भी चीज़ करो लेकिन पहले एक पैच टेस्ट कर लो. हाँ?
Yeah, देसी नुस्खे में एक बार थोड़ा तो, because I am allergic to besan, so I'm assuming a lot of people could be allergic to.
बेसन से बहुत ड्राई हो जाता है skin.
So no trends. You're not a trends kind of girl.
I've never followed trends in my life for anything.
Nothing.
I create my
Matcha? Have you tried matcha? No, you hate it?
Rihanna loves it.
I'm sure.
I don't like it. I don't use the word hate. I think it's a very strong word. I don't like it.
So with fitness, what do you suggest? Have you heard about Mounjaro?
Yeah, of course.
What's your opinion about Mounjaro?
Go to a doctor, consult a doctor, check your BMI. If your BMI falls within a certain limit, have it.
Yeah.
Do your blood test regularly, and there's nothing to hide
Yeah.
because there are a lot of people who are overweight,
Yeah.
and it is a very, it's a huge task when you're overly overweight, and and if you're obese. These kind of people normally are the candidates for something like this.
Mounjaro, yeah.
But if you're not very, हमारे इंडस्ट्री में बहुत से लोग लेते हैं, but because our industry also, unfortunately, like you said, has a lot of pressure
Yeah.
to look a certain way, and shelf life भी बहुत कम होती है. You have to prove yourself within a very short period of time. So people do it. I think it's okay.
Yeah.
But again, professional advice.
Prescribed.
Yes,
Yeah,
go to a doctor. Don't अपने ही मर्जी से ऐसे मत करो.
Not just to, only if you have maybe type 2 diabetes and it's prescribed for
No, you know what? See, I come from a family of doctors, okay? So, it's not only type 2 diabetes. There are a lot of people who don't have diabetes and do Mounjaro.
Okay.
but not necessarily you will get diabetes. And there are some people who may, even if they don't have. So I'm not a professional,
Yeah.
I'm not a doctor here to give any kind of
Yeah.
advice. But if you want to do any kind of such thing,
Hmm.
then I think you should get your normal whatever tests that the doctor asks you yes to do. There probably is. What a nutritionist these days, they ask you for a series of tests
Yeah, of
to
course.
check if your your CSR, your this ESR, CRP, sorry not CSR,
Yes,
CSR तो कुछ और ही है, CRP, ESR, ये सब ठीक है, आपका क्या बोलते हैं LDL, HDL ठीक है, आपका आयरन, कैल्शियम, जिंक ठीक है, आपका एस्ट्रोजन, ये हार्मोन, वो हार्मोन सब ठीक है. एक नॉर्मल न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट जब इतनी चीज़ें मांगते हैं आपको डाइट प्रिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, when you're stuffing a body with something, I think you should ask a proper doctor कि हम क्या करें. Because आज समझ में नहीं आता, आज तो पतले हो जाओगे, लेकिन जब इससे साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या है, कल जाके
For sure.
it should not go against you later on in life. Why?
Yeah, you shouldn't regret it.
You shouldn't regret it later on. आज पता नहीं है लोगों को कि कल क्या होने वाला है. So it's always better you seek professional advice. I feel so.
Absolutely. I think it's legal in India and a lot of people...
Mounjaro, Ozempic,
Yeah.
Zegovi, there are many. A lot of our people are doing
And now it's in the news because बहुत लोगों ने openly आके उस बारे में बात कर लिया.
But the only thing I think, Clary,
Yeah.
is that you cannot substitute exercise
Yeah.
for anything in the world, and a good healthy regime for your diet. You have to have that, because if you just do all these things and you don't live a good lifestyle means regular exercising and healthy meals,
Food. Yeah.
you will eventually not look right.
Yeah. It will show.
You won't look healthy. It won't be a good weight loss.
Yeah. And that you can see sometimes. It shows. Yeah. So with exercise, what's your preferred way of working out? आप पिलाटेस गर्ल हो या फिर आप...
मैं पिलाटेस कोशिश की, लेकिन मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. पिलाटेस
मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं.
No, because you know what, I am a very rigorous workout person. I need like solid weights,
Strength training.
I'm a O negative.
Okay.
O is the oldest group, so we are hunters.
Okay.
So we need that kind of training, martial arts.
Oh, I didn't know.
ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी लॉजिक होता है. मुझे भी पता नहीं था. So hunters कैसे थे? Hunters are not small built. They're big, broad shoulders.
Yeah.
So we need that. क्या करते थे? They used to go out, hunt their meal, and then eat their meal. Till they would hunt, they would not feed.
Correct.
Right?
वो satisfaction.
So that kind of training is necessary for us. So weight training बोलिए या मेहनत functional training बोलिए.
CrossFit.
Yeah, CrossFit बोलिए. I don't like CrossFit. I don't personally like CrossFit because it has damaged my joints.
Okay.
मतलब उसके लिए भी आपको बराबर एक ट्रेनर चाहिए. कितना आपको करने के लिए. So I prefer this, and then I like Zumba. Oh, I love, because I love, again I said Bollywood is in Zumba my blood. So Zumba, and especially if it's Bollywood Zumba, so I lose super calories. I'm full into. Wow. So I love it. So once a week I do Bollywood Zumba.
So this is also Dadi approved. Dadi help you.
Yoga I do. Dadi used to. Yeah, Dadi used to always. Yeah, she used to advocate and she used to always tell me to do yoga. Yoga is good for the mind as much as it is for your body, because if your body becomes flexible, it is a physical way of making your mind flexible too.
Correct. Nice. So any drink that you still drink that you learned from your Dadi, anything that you would like to share with us?
Most simple. I mean, you put cucumber. You put cucumber in a jar, and overnight, and then whenever you want to drink, don't put Nimbu and keep it for too long. It becomes rancid. It's not very good. But coconut you can keep like for a day, 24 hours. So you keep it and you keep add the water put the water in a glass and squeeze some lemon and keep drinking.
थोड़ा नींबू.
So you detox. It's
अच्छा.
detox water,
Okay.
lemon water. Lemon by nature is acidic, but when it goes into your body, it makes your body alkaline.
Okay. So नींबू, cucumber,
Cucumber डालो.
पानी.
हाँ, cucumber एक जार में डाल दीजिए और उसको रखिए थोड़े टाइम के लिए.
and sip it.
और फिर ग्लास में वो पानी डालते जाइए, जब भी चाहिए उसमें नींबू डालिए. उस जार में नींबू मत डालिए. हाँ, क्योंकि that jar you keeping for long, right? फिर वो कड़वा होता जाता है. नींबू आफ्टर अ पॉइंट gets little rancid. कड़वा हो जाता है.
ठीक है. और कुछ हल्दी दूध रेसिपीज?
हल्दी दूध भी है, हल्दी पानी भी है. कौन सा चाहिए आपको?
जो भी आपको ट्राई करना है. Can we try it together?
Haldi doodh should be had in the night because it induces sleep with honey. It releases a enzyme called tryptophan, which is excellent for you to sleep. So आप हल्दी दूध और हनी अगर गरम सोने से पहले अगर पिए, so ये सुना ही होगा आप.
ये तो बहुत था.
Yes. So ये आप नींद से पहले before sleeping ये पी सकते हो. थोड़ा सा, पूरा आपको
हाँ.
गमला पीने की जरूरत.
ये हमारा इंडियन मेलेटोनिन है.
ये हमारा इंडियन मेलाटोनिन, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, मेलाटोनिन है. ये पी के सो जाइए. ये एक है when you wake up in the morning, have a warm glass of water, add turmeric, and that's haldi, add pepper.
हल्दी, पेपर, पानी.
Yeah, because क्या है, haldi by turmeric has a property in it called curcumin,
Yeah.
right?
सुना है.
That is not absorbed by the body unless you add pepper.
Oh.
Pepper in. You have to add pepper. So उसकी absorption बढ़ती है turmeric की. So you have to add pepper. तो pepper में you can add little cinnamon also, anti-inflammatory, and it helps your blood sugar also. मैं अपने coffee में सुबह cinnamon डाल के पीती हूँ.
Oh.
In the morning.
Flavor also gets.
हाँ, sometimes I put ghee also in my coffee and
like the bullet coffee.
bullet coffee.
So that's a trend.
That's a trend.
You like.
Yeah, but that again was I
That's a
didn't
good
have it
trend,
because it's a trend.
Yeah. But
I
that's a good
had it
trend.
because I was told to have it because they said don't have direct coffee on an empty stomach.
Yeah.
So have this because you need to have fat.
Yeah.
So your A2 ghee or your coconut oil which you put in this, or they sometimes even say cream. You know, they say fresh cream. I don't like cream. So I added this because I was asked to. नहीं तो मैं ट्रेंड मैंने पढ़ा, देखा, यहाँ देखा, वहाँ देखा ना.
But घी तो हमारा ही है.
हाँ.
घी तो है ही दूध से. So that's okay.
So ये सब मैं करती रहती हूँ.
So इसमें से एक रेसिपी आज हम बनाएं साथ में फिर.
हाँ. आपको पीना है?
बिल्कुल.
चलो.
साथ में एक
चलो.
अभी क्या बनाने वाले हम?
देखो. बताऊँ क्यों? Why should I spoil the fun? देख the suspense. हम थोड़ा almonds डालेंगे. Actually मैं ना इन सब मामलों में थोड़ी स्टिंजी हूँ बिकॉज मेरे हाथ से ये सब चीज़ें. आमंड्स इज अ लॉट ऑफ कैलोरीज.
ओह हाँ.
ये क्यों नहीं बैठ रहा?
बट आमंड्स इज आल्सो.
इसी का है कि किसी और का है? क्या हुआ?
इट्स क्या मैंने
अच्छा उल्टा किया था. ओ ये सब पता चलता है हम किचन में कितना जाते हैं.
इतना काम करते हैं.
तो ये हम आमंड्स डाल रहे इसमें गिर गया.
वो भी डाल दो.
नहीं. ये इतना होगा ना?
ट्राई करते
बिकॉज
हम तो और डाल देंगे. वो किसी वो
हाँ इतना बस है.
So we crushed the almonds first.
Yeah. Oh, crushed it.
This is enough?
Yeah, more than and actually a lot. It's calories यार.
Yeah.
तो हाँ.
It's healthy but it's high calorie.
So हमने ये पूरे का पूरा almond
Oh my
जो क्रश किया है.
थोड़ा सा मुझे भी था almond.
आप ये ले लो ये. हाँ.
आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हैं लोगों को ये कितने टाइम पीना चाहिए हफ्ते में?
See, this is also like an energy drink. Okay, because there's protein in the form of milk, then there's almonds, and it just fills you up also. So I would think if you want to substitute it, add some sattu powder.
Okay.
Or add a protein powder also and have it.
So it's
It can be like a mini meal for you.
Breakfast. Like a smoothie bowl, protein milk or
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah, just. Okay. अभी हमने क्या किया? अभी हमने almond ऐड किया. अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे little bit of. This is a mood elevator.
Wow. दिन में 3 बार लेना पड़ेगा mood elevate करने के लिए.
ऐसे ले लो.
We don't promote this, but sorry. Just have it with the milk, guys.
हाँ, ये थोड़ा पेपर मैंने आपको बोला था दिस इज ऑप्शनल
This looks very nice, huh?
बट नॉर्मली पेपर डालो भी नहीं तो भी चलेगा बट इफ यू ऐड पेपर आई टोल्ड यू द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ योर टर्मरिक आर एनहांस्ड एब्जॉर्प्शन उसकी ज़्यादा होगी द बेनिफिट्स आर इंड्यूस स्लीप द बेनिफिट्स आर इट्स great for your skin. It's a mood elevator because you put this. It's anti-inflammatory, antiseptic. What else? It's got everything here. Okay, so you will. So cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Take a sip.
आज की दुनिया में पता है इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Ramesh.
Turmeric latte.
Turmeric latte. Daddy approved. हल्दी दूध को.
ये हल्दी दूध जो 20 रुपए की 30 रुपए की होगी 400 और 500 रुपए में लाटे बन के बिक रही है
That is
in all the high end cafes.
सब जगह $20 में बिक रही है.
हाँ $20 में
Easily.
कैसे यम है यार
This is
मैंने
too
तो बोला
good.
था लाइट से पिएंगी लेकिन
मसाला दूध. I don't know what it's called.
हाँ जो हम लोग ठंडाई
वैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है एकदम. With ice also will be amazing. Can we click a selfie together with the drink that we made? With this amazing.
Oh, I'm wearing yellow.
Oh yeah.
Turmeric.
Okay, then while we are having the turmeric latte, we'll play a game. I'll give you some options. Nuska or nonsense. You just have to tell me.
Nuska or nonsense?
Nonsense or nonsense. So I'll give you a few combos. You have to tell me what's a real nuska and what's made
Nonsense.
Nonsense. Okay. First one is coconut oil plus matcha powder for hair. Do you think it's a real nuska?
Nonsense. पता नहीं. Coconut oil, yes. ये matcha का मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. What is this matcha यार?
It's not fair.
It's not. See? क्या है?
Okay. Lemon plus honey plus ginger as kada.
Nuska.
Nuska. Cinnamon plus aloe plus lemon for digestion.
Cinnamon plus aloe.
It's tricky. It's not that easy.
Plus nuska.
Nuska. Correct. Turmeric plus strawberry as a face mask.
Nuska.
It's nonsense.
Oh. Strawberry is excellent for collagen.
But yeah, it's something that
And turmeric is anti-inflammatory.
it's a combo that we are making today.
Yeah, you can try.
People aren't trying it yet.
You have strawberry masks.
Yeah.
You have strawberry scrubs.
Yeah. So उसने थोड़ा हल्दी डाला.
हाँ डाल तो क्या problem? Unless the properties of turmeric clash with the properties of strawberry. I don't know that.
Yeah.
So
Whatever.
this is
That
like
you should
ये
do a patch
बहुत
test.
dicey था.
Dicey था. ये tough है. Okay. So black sesame plus jaggery for hair growth.
No. Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Naan.
Arjun chal for plus honey. Arjun chal powder. Have you heard?
No.
It's a brown. Okay. So this is a tough one. Let's skip this one.
Yeah, please. But बताओ.
It's actually good for heart.
क्या है वो?
You get it. अभी उसको क्या बोलते हैं मुझे पता.
What is it called? Arjun?
Arjun chal.
CHAL.
CHAL. Yes. You
Chal
get it on
on-
Blinkit.
And then it's good for?
It's good for heart and a lot of other things also. Heart health, immunity, gut health, everything.
Oh. ये पूछना
This is something मैंने भी अभी recently सीखा है. ये काफी
So ये क्या था? Arjun chal
plus honey. But you can do
ठीक
everything.
होगा.
हाँ.
ठीक
plus-
होगा.
हाँ ठीक ही है.
हाँ.
So this is
This is not
nonsense.
nonsense.
This is
Sense.
Nuska. This is Dadi approved.
हाँ.
Okay. So last moringa powder plus honey plus lemon energy tonic.
Yeah, good.
It is.
I have moringa every morning.
Yes. That brings us to the end of the segment.
I smell it.
You have
You have
two
made your
glasses
own-
of almond.
क्या है? मतलब क्या है?
One. I am.
आपने मुझे उल्लू बना दिया. आपने मैंने ये बनाया, आपने उल्लू बनाया.
नहीं हमने बनाया है टर्मरिक लाटे और बहुत मजा आया. Cheers to this episode. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you. Enjoy. Yum. This is Dadi approved with Isha Kopekar. You're watching Pink Villa.